love luxury, and I especially loved circular fashion and luxury items that you can buy on the pre-loved market. And voila, here it is. This is my little shopping bag that I got. Okay, so I bought these items from The Closet. It is an online store, and they have also some physical stores here in Abu Dhabi and in Dubai. And you know what? I think that during this season, the Ramadan sale, they are having special discounts on top of the already very affordable luxury items in store and online. So I've been looking for an LV long wallet and also a Chanel long wallet. And you know, for those of you who know me, I love vintage items. And when I came across this very pretty LV, you know, it's an anti leather wallet. It's the Sarah wallet online, and it was only going for about 760 dirhams, which is plus tax about 800 dirhams. And for Singapore, my Singapore viewers, it works out to be roughly about $300. And yeah, this is the Sarah wallet. It is in the dark brown kind of color. I do have this in the backpack that I bought like 18 years ago, so I know that the quality of epi leather is really good, you know, and easy to maintain. Yeah, so this is the inside, and I love purple. And when I saw this online, and the condition is fairly good, besides some scratches, you know, and yeah, and it's like a very good deal, because a new one would cost you about over 2,000 dirhams, which is about maybe 800-700 Singapore dollars. So okay, besides and you know, the whole everything else is pretty scratch free, you can see, but there is some wear and tear in the corners here, which I will look into trying to do a little touch-up refurbishment of my own with some, you know, wax polish in brown or burgundy. I will definitely go down to the store next to have a look. So I wanted the Emily or the Sarah wallet, and because I wanted to turn this wallet into a wallet on chain, okay, WOC. And I did also purchase from Samoga the little insert for it, which will arrive in a few weeks time, but I was too excited to show you this beautiful epi leather Sarah wallet that I got for such a great deal. Okay, so I wanted to show you like how I would use it as a wallet on chain, you know, as it is now. And I would actually use a chain strap. Okay, so for now I do not have the insert, but when I do have the insert from Samoga, I will show you how, you know, all the different items that I bought from Samoga that will help, you know, change up the bags and help to keep your bags in you know, in good shape. Okay, they do sell many inserts, and I did purchase quite a bit, but mind you, the shipping was kind of expensive. So anyway, so what I'll do for now is that I will take a gold chain, okay, a gold chain, and I've already clasped it together to secure it as a one-piece chain, and basically just, you know, just buckle it up like so. And you have a wallet on chain that is, you know, kind of like very classy. Okay, maybe this chain might be a little bit thick. I might have to use thinner one. Let's see. Okay, it's fine. So, okay, it's clasped well. And yeah, I just wanted to show you how pretty it is. I mean, you know, as a little wallet on chain, you can crossbody it, or you can just do it as a sling, right? Okay, maybe this is not the proper attire, but still, I mean, it's so gorgeous. And yeah, and so affordable. I mean, 300 Singapore dollars. Where can you find a luxury wallet chain? Most of them are going for in the thousands. Okay, so that's the gold chain. You can also use a silver chain, you know, depending on the outfit. Sometimes you'll be using, you know, silver jewelry and silver kind of like tone clothing that, you know, you want to use silver. So you can also use it with the silver. The good thing is that the buckle is actually in silver, so it would match silver a little bit better, but because the hardware is inside, you can't really see it, so you could use it. Yeah, the thinner chain does work better, you know, for this style, but once we have the Samoga insert, you will see that you can basically use any kind of strap. So yeah. So I think the silver looks better with what I'm wearing today, for sure, right? So here we go. We have like a pretty wallet on chain for $300 Singapore, guys and girls. So do look out on the market for excuse that, I just dropped something. Just do look out in the market, in the pre-loved market. I love shopping on online stores and, you know, in the physical pre-loved market stores. And yeah, so this is the first item I bought, and I really adore it, and I will definitely go back to the closet online store to view more products in the future. And this is their Ramadan kind of like promotion, so it was originally selling for about, I think, close to 1,000, but there was like a 25% off currently, and yeah, so I got it for about close to 800 dirhams with tax. Okay, so item number one, and I'm super happy about it. And yeah, the good thing is that with the closet, they actually you know, when you purchase your items online, you don't have to make payment ASAP, right? You can actually pay upon delivery of the goods, which is like superb. So, you know, these items, I did order them online, but they were delivered to me via the courier, and I did not have to pay extra for the delivery charge. And I only paid for the items in full after I had a good look at it, and I was able to decipher whether, you know, it was worth it to purchase. And if you didn't want to buy it, you could return it, and, you know, no questions asked. So yeah, I did pay them upon arrival after viewing them, of course, because it's very hard or difficult to view an item online without physically touching, smelling, and you know, seeing it in person. So the second item that I bought was actually a Valentino belt. Okay, so this came with a box. The LV one did not come with a dust bag or a box, but this Valentino item did. And I was on a lookout for a nice belt. I did spot a LV belt that was so beautiful. It was vintage, but unfortunately it was sold, and I didn't get my hands on it. But like all vintage items, when it's yours. So never mind. I went back online and I found this vintage belt that came in a pretty dust bag as well, and the box. And yeah, see, ta-da! It's actually a bow belt. Okay, I do not own anything like this, and when I saw it, I was like, wow, this would look nice with a pretty dress, pretty skirt, or even with a jacket, you know. you know, when you belt up your jacket, it's so pretty. And yeah, I think it's actually a new item because the tag is still on it, even though it's pre-loved. And yeah, look at it. So it's still in pretty good nick, okay. Maybe just a little bit used on, you know, from all the buckling, I guess. Maybe it might be a display item, I'm not sure, because you know the tag is still on. And yeah, so I really like this. And I felt that, you know, for about 340 dirhams, which is about maybe $130 thing, for a Valentino belt, full leather, is such a great deal. So I haven't actually tried it on. Let me show you how it looks like. So okay, so if you have seen my previous shopping vlog in the Dubai outlets, I did buy something similar from Agna, which is yeah, so yeah, it's still a bit big for me, but I will definitely go to the Valentino boutique and get a few holes punched. So this is what it will look like, right? Okay, so I will do a fashion show in time with all my shopping spree. Okay, you can put it in the middle, you can put it to the side, you know. I mean, it's pretty cool, I reckon. And with this neutral color, you know, the nude color, it basically matches anything really. So yeah, it would definitely go well with nude heels or nude pumps. And yeah, so I was really pleased. This is my first time shopping with the closet, first time actually buying vintage items online. I've never done it before, and I am really happy with the service, and also their, you know, authenticity. They are very strict on that. I did check it online as well. So do your research before you buy pre-loved items online. And yeah, and I wanted to show you also that you know, just for proof that this is my receipt. Okay, so this is how much I paid in total. I think it was 1,123 dirhams, which was about maybe 400 Singapore dollars in total. So yeah, so thank you for, you know, tuning in today's little shopping spree at the pre-loved you know, online store. I just felt like it was a good time to just share this wonderful experience that I encountered and had, and yeah, and definitely value for money. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Do let me know, guys, girls, like what kind of videos you like to see, if there's any questions or, you know, anything you would like me to share with you, my experiences in shopping, or, you know, in beauty, or in anything of my passions. Yeah, do let me know in the comments below. I would love to hear from you. Yeah, and till my next video, I will do a little Ramadan special sale haul and fashion show. Yeah, so stay tuned, and I'll be right back in a bit. Good night, everyone. Bye bye.